Oops, we forgot these ones and probably a few other things, so make sure you do more studying than what we went over in these quick videos. But one of the things that we forgot to highlight that we saw come up in a few problems is the equation of a circle with center 0, 0. So this is the formula, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. R is the radius. This is only if the center is 0, 0. Okay, and so it's x squared plus y squared equals r squared. The key, though, is to find r. So how do you find r? So you could find r using the distance formula. Wow, sorry. They were being loud in the hallway. You can find r using the distance formula. You can find r depending on what information you're given a problem. Sometimes that's kind of difficult to do. The other equation is if the center's not at 0, 0, but it's at hk, for example, you'll use this other formula here. You'll have the x minus h squared and the y minus k squared. Make sure you match up the, x value with the x value and the y value with the y value. And r is still the radius length. Again, finding that radius or finding the center sometimes takes a little bit of a challenge. Again, you might be using the distance formula to find that. This sometimes uses the midpoint formula. So often a challenge is to find the values that you need to plug into this formula. So be a little careful with that. You'll also notice that we're subtracting h and subtracting k. So when h is positive, it'll actually say, minus that positive number. When h is negative, it'll actually say plus. So it kind of changes the sign in the parentheses there. So be aware of that. So there's probably a few other things we forgot, but that's what we noticed right away. We thought we'd stick it up for you guys to add that to your collection of important information. You got anything to say to the in case we go viral? Nothing at all, Mr. Cote?
We're fine.
We're fine. You don't want to be recorded at all. You don't want your voice to be recorded at all. You're good.
Good.
Well, I can't hear you, Mr. Cote. What was that? I gotcha. All right. We'll see you next time.